Are you tired of hunting for the Export button in Zoho Books? Export all your invoices in just 6 clicks. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening Zoho Books to hitting Export. Follow along. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, head over to the Sales module from the left sidebar. Now, click on Invoices to see your list of invoices. Find the 3 dots next to any invoice and click them to open the Options menu. From there, select Export Invoices to begin the export process. Finally, hit Export to download your invoices. That's it! Your invoices are on their way. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.